In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed PDF file in Outlook email body. This walkthrough is specifically for Classic Outlook for Windows. If you're using that version and want a PDF to appear directly inside your message rather than as a separate attachment, you're in the right place. Start by opening a new email and clicking once inside the message body. Placing your cursor in the body tells Outlook exactly where you want the embedded content to go, so this small step matters. With the cursor in place, head up to the ribbon and select the Insert tab. This is where Outlook keeps tools for adding different types of content to your message. In the Insert tab, look for the text group and click Object. The Object command is what lets you embed files so they appear inline. When the Object dialog box opens, switch to the Create from File tab. This tab is designed for taking an existing file on your computer and embedding it directly into the email body. Click Browse, navigate to the PDF you want to embed, and select it, then click Open. Take a second to confirm you've picked the correct file, especially if you keep multiple versions of the same document. When you're ready, click OK in the Object dialog. Outlook will now embed the PDF into the message body. You'll see the result immediately. Depending on your setup, Outlook might display the first page of the PDF as a preview, or it may show a generic PDF icon. Either way, the file is embedded in the body of the email, not just attached at the top. Keep in mind that embedding can increase the size of your email, so larger PDFs may make the message heavier to send and receive. If the embedded object needs fine-tuning, click it once to select it. You can drag the corners to resize it proportionally, or drag it around to reposition it within your text. If your email formatting supports it, you can also adjust alignment so it sits where it's easiest for your recipient to read. Try to keep the preview large enough to be legible while still leaving room for the rest of your message. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, add any final text you want around it and send the email as you normally would. Your recipient will see the PDF embedded right in the message body, which can make instructions, forms, or previews quicker to scan without opening a separate attachment. That's all you need to embed a PDF directly in Classic Outlook for Windows. Thanks for watching.